to be, 'cause you're what I need, yeah, you're what I need. What I need, yeah, what I need.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is An. In today's video I created this eye makeup look and I used the Lunar Beauty palette, which is created by Manny Mua. I'm really happy that he sent me this palette because it looks so amazing. I saw his reveal video and I just fell in love with it. It has a lot of matte shades, which I absolutely love. It has nude shades, it has vibrant shades, so you can create a lot of different looks with this palette. I don't think I have to explain you guys where I got my inspiration from. When I saw this look on the packaging, I just fell in love. I wanted to recreate it and of course show you how you can recreate it as well. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm using this MAC Soft Ochre paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. The brush that I'm using is the Sigma Precision Angled P84 brush, and this is like a small kabuki brush. I really like to use this brush to apply the eyeshadow primer. Then I'm taking this vanilla powder using a Sigma F35 brush. I'm going to use this to set my eyelid. I'm applying a very tiny amount of this product, only like to set it in place. So I am going to use eyeshadow guards because on the packaging you can see it has a very sharp edge, and using an eyeshadow guard will give me that effect. Now for underneath my eyebrow, I'm going in with the shade Cake Face, which is a matte white shade. I'm going to use this for underneath the eyebrow. Now I'm taking this shade called KK and I'm using a Anastasia Beverly A25 brush. And I'm going to use this shade to blend in my crease. I'm not going to apply too much product right away. I'm going to slowly build it up. And I'm just going to blend this all over my crease using this brush, and I'm just going back and forth from the inner corner of my crease to the outer corner. Now I'm taking this black shade called Shady using a very tiny brush from Morphe, which is called the Morphe E35. And I'm going to use this to draw the cut crease line. So now that I created that line, I'm now going to try to create this transition right here. I'm not really sure if they only used black or pink, but I'm kind of guessing they used like that burgundy shade like in between. So I'm using this shade right now, which is called Snatched, and I'm using a very tiny brush again from Morphe in the number E36. I'm going to start blending this on top of that black line that I just applied. So now I'm going back in with that black eyeshadow, and this time I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, which is a very tiny blending brush. And I'm going to blend this like one more time on top of that black line because I feel like it looks still quite harsh. So with this brush I'm hoping to get it more blended out. I already did it at this side and it looks so much better. So let's do this. So as I am blending this black eyeshadow, I notice it's really easy to blend out. I think I've never experienced like a black eyeshadow like this that blends so smooth. Also, so far I don't have any eyeshadow fallout, and when I use black eyeshadow that always happens, so that's kind of unique. I do have like some color over here, but it's basically because I'm going like this with my brush. Yeah, so far I'm really impressed by this palette. Now I'm going back in with that vibrant pink shade again, called KK, using that same Morphe M506 brush. So this is how it's looking right now. I think it's looking quite good, but I want to use another shade like right in between to make that transition look even better. And for that I'm going back in with that Snatched eyeshadow. So now that I'm done with applying shades in my crease, I'm going in with this concealer from MAC Cosmetics, which is called the Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm using it in the shade NC15. I'm going to use this all over my eyelid and right underneath that crease line to carve it out and make it look super sharp. Now for all over my eyelid, I'm going to use this shade Legendary. So now I'm going to apply some gel eyeliner. I'm using this Sigma Wicker Gel Eyeliner, and to apply this I'm using this brush from Sigma as well, called the Angled Brow Brush. So I know this is a brow brush, but I really like to use this for my eyeliner. This brush is included in my coloration brush kit with Sigma Beauty. I have a link down in the description bar where you can get it. So I just quickly applied some foundation, and now I'm going to create a line like I did on this side of my eye. And to do this I'm using some gel eyeliner and that same angled brow brush from Sigma, which I also used to create my cat wing. Then I'm taking this matte black shade again, using a Morphe E36 brush, and I'm going to apply a tiny bit of that underneath that line I just created to kind of smudge it out. And now I'm taking the shade Fishy to blend out that black eyeshadow, using a Dose of Colors pencil brush. And now I'm taking this white pencil from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Fascinating. I'm going to apply this in my waterline and also here at the beginning to make it seem like my waterline is a lot bigger. And this will make your eyes look super big. And then I'm taking this white shade using my Sigma smudge brush, which comes in my Sigma Favorites brush kit, and apply it right on top of where I just applied the pencil. So I'm now finished with the eyes. I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I was just about to give you guys my opinion and then there's this noise outside. I really hope you can't hear it, but I feel like you can because it's quite loud. So please ignore it because I feel like this is going on for a while and I kind of want to finish this video. So just to give you my opinion about this palette, I think this is one of the best palettes I've ever tried. I really like how it blends. I had no problems with applying it whatsoever and it just had amazing colors. This is definitely, well, it got sent to me as PR, but this is a palette that I would buy without regrets. Especially now that I know how good it is, I would like recommend it to everyone. Of course, I haven't tried every eyeshadow shade. I only used the pink one, the burgundy one, the blue one, and the white and black one. So there are a lot of shades I haven't used yet, but just let me know in the comments if you want me to do another video. And also let me know what kind of look, maybe I can do something more wearable. And yes, that's it. I really like this palette. Oh my god, the noise. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. And of course, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
She got that touch. I don't wanna live without this rush. Don't know why, but I want you. Cross my heart and hope to die. You're stuck inside my mind. My eyes wide shut. You make me dumb. I don't wanna live without you. Could you come a bit closer to me?